What's going on, Airsofters? Flannel Operator 762 here, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at some footage that I recently filmed at Augusta Airsoft Field here in Virginia. Now the video here is the last game of the day in a game mode called Chaos. So basically how this works is at the beginning, you split up into small teams across the map. When the whistle blows, you can now roam the map trying to eliminate and engage other teams. Once you hit a player who is on another team, you have two options. Either first of all, you can ignore him and choose to continue on, or the preferred way is to go up to him and claim him as part of your team. The goal is to have the largest team at the end of the game. Enjoy the video, guys.
Gentlemen, team on the left. Yes. Brother! Brother! Let's go, baby. These buildings, man. Hey, us three. Yeah, here. Guys. Hey, you three, push that. We're going to meet you around, okay? I'll watch your left. Watch it. Watch this guy. We need to get people and get out of here. I don't like this. Come on. Gentlemen, use these trenches. Let's go. Come on, guys. Careful. We're pretty much in range now. Okay, they're pretty scared. Just keep moving in these trenches. Okay. Yeah, we could take these trenches pretty much to the front door. Let's keep going. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Yo, is that underneath? You good? Okay, let me see real quick. I'm gonna make sure this is clear, and I'll help you clear down there. Are they all dead? Okay. Who needs survived? Everyone? Okay. Okay, you guys have 2 minutes, and then we need to move. 2 mics.
Who's dead right?
Yeah, let's just go through it. What the heck? No, it doesn't. Let's go. Hurry up, boys.
Come on, we're going.
I'm gonna go around. I'm going next to this.
Whoa!
Okay.
So where are we doing?
Moving to that town over there.
Sure, yes, sir. Let's wait for all troops to.
Yeah, let's get here, and we'll emerge from the trenches. This is everybody.
This is everyone.
Is there anyone still in the embassy?
No, that was the last time.
Okay. Over the top, man.
Oh, Melissa, charge the Germans.
Guys, try and stay in the trenches while walking as much as you can. Here, half of you go that way, half of us will go this way. Whoop, there goes that. Okay. Okay, let's move in. Upstairs appears to be clear. We need to prepare to move, men.
Give us a rallying speech.
Everybody, we have fought many long months, years to come to this point, through the trenches filled with blood and mud, and today we will go further to take this town. Can I get a new law? Can I get a new law? Let's go! Guys, keep moving that way. Listen, I need you guys to go straight that way. To that side of the town. Hey, you two. You two go that way.
Be kind, Thomas.
Oh my. Okay. Over here. Contact! You guys this way now. Those buildings. All of you guys. That building. Flank, that way. Cut in. Keep moving in. Forward. Keep moving, forward. Watch it.
Arma!
Guys, around the back of this building. Around the back of that building. Keep moving. You're gonna get some attack that way. Okay. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Watch this bus, watch this bus. Hey. Okay, guys, let's come this way. We're pulling out and we're going to that village to make our final stand. Let's go. Shoot. Okay. Whoa! Guys, right here, contact! I need dudes over here, if you're alive. Shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There's one guy here trying to suppress us. Oh shit. Hit. Good shot.
What's up, guys?
What's up? How many guys got on your side right now?
Pretty much everybody but Bo and his team.
Wow.
And they're at church. And last time we tried, we got folded.
Oh jeez. Well, now you got us.
Yeah.
This is the end of the Armor Army.
We're gonna go get them.
Go back to church, see if we can breach it this time.
Who's dead still? Is everybody up?
Oh, they're coming with a lot of. We're coming with a lot of people though. We'll be able to take it.
Yeah, then we already
Cost
examined
60,
us.
whatever.
We already
That
examined
church
us.
is hard to get into, dude. And as soon as you come in, on the right,
see
there's a
Dylan?
murder hole.
You have still not know what it's
Yeah, P90 guys was kind of
60.
disappeared.
Okay.
Yeah, so if we have enough bodies to throw at the enemy. Watch
Yeah.
out for Dylan if you know who that is.
Yeah,
So wait,
P90 guy.
what team are we again?
John Denvers.
John
Okay.
Denvers.
So, do you want to just?
Go. John Denver.
Well, let's go, guys. Let's go take them.
Contact!
Okay.
Contact!
Well, let's go over this way. John, where are you taking contact from? Let's go. Oh, whoa! Guys down there. I'm watching this way. Whoa, hit. Nice shot. Hit.
60.
Okay.
Alright,
So
so
there's at least one guy right there.
I want to book it straight that way.
Don't see any players.
One of you want to hold this corner when I book it so that you can shoot
wait,
who
wait.
shoots me?
Is that friendly?
Going.
What is that? Is that?
Is that player? Teammate?
Okay, move up, we're good. Where do we even want to go?
Okay, deal.
Okay, let's try and push center or something. I don't know. About the part. Oh man, I feel bad. That's game. Good game.